Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening the File Manager from the main menu. This is where your scenes, images, and scripts live. Tap the menu icon, then choose File Manager. Grant storage permission if asked, because without it you cannot export or import. Once done, scan the left column for two key folders, Projects and Assets. These are your working areas. You should already see recent saves listed. Make sure to note timestamps so you open the correct version. Next, manage files more precisely so your workspace stays tidy. Create a new folder, then rename it with a clear prefix like level 0, 1, or props. This keeps order. Use drag and drop to move images or sound into a scene, and if a file is external, use import. The manager converts common formats for you. Once done, use the search and filter fields to narrow results by name, type, or date. This saves time when projects grow. Make sure to confirm deletes, because recovery is limited. Finally, export and backup to complete the workflow and know how to recover if things go wrong. Use export to save a project as zip or JSON for sharing. Keep one copy locally and one in cloud storage. Once done, enable automatic backups or periodically copy the assets folder to external storage. This prevents data loss. If a file fails to load, re-import the backup, check file name characters and supported formats, and make sure permissions are still granted. This usually resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.